In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise a defect in Jira, a vital skill in effective project management and bug tracking. Let's break down the process step by step to make sure you can confidently report issues whenever necessary. First, you'll want to log into Jira. This is your gateway to the projects and tasks you'll be managing, so make sure you have your credentials ready. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the specific project where the defect belongs. This ensures that the bug is tracked in the right place and by the relevant team members, helping to streamline the resolution process. With the project page open, look towards the top of your dashboard and locate the Create button. Clicking this button will begin the process of raising a new issue. Now, in the issue type options, be sure to select Bug. This step is crucial because it categorizes the issue accurately, distinguishing it from other tasks or inquiries that might also be tracked in Jira. Next, it's time to write a precise summary of the bug. Think of this as the headline that will grab the attention of your team and provide an immediate understanding of the issue at a glance. Aim for clarity and conciseness, using specific language that highlights the main problem. After defining the summary, move on to the description. Here, you'll give a more detailed account of the bug. Describe what was expected to happen versus what actually did. Make sure to include information like steps to reproduce the issue, any error messages, and the environment in which the bug occurs, such as browser type or operating system. A well-documented description not only facilitates quicker resolutions, but also aids in preventing similar problems in the future. Following the description, you'll need to set the priority and severity of the bug. Priority indicates how urgently the issue needs to be addressed, while severity defines the impact the defect has on the system. Balancing these properly helps in resource allocation and prioritization during sprints. Now, decide whether to assign the bug to a specific team member or leave it unassigned. Assigning it directly to a developer or team member responsible for fixing it can expedite the process, but sometimes bugs may stay unassigned until they're reviewed by a project lead during planning meetings. Once everything is filled out and ready, scroll to the bottom and click the Create button. This final action submits the bug to the project, officially logging it as an issue that needs attention. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively raise a defect in Jira. By following these steps, you ensure clear communication and efficient bug tracking, a critical aspect of maintaining quality and performance in any software project. Thanks for watching, and happy bug hunting!